Assalomu alaykum. Yangi darsga xush kelibsiz. Welcome to a new lesson, and in this video we will practice how to say facts, basic facts about yourself. Tayyormisiz? Boshladik. Okay, in our previous lessons we learned how to say my name is, my surname is, this is my age, this is where I live, and today I would like to practice this information with my student. So, I would like to introduce you to Anastasia. Anastasia, xush kelibsiz. Assalomu alaykum.
Assalomu alaykum. Assalomu alaykum.
Yaxshimisiz?
Rahmat, yaxshi. Sizchi?
Xudoga shukr, rahmat. Hammasi zo'rmi? Sog'liqlaringiz yaxshimi?
Rahmat.
Charchamayapsizmi?
Hammasi yaxshi.
So, as usual, always when I invite my students and we just start the lesson, before that we practice long greetings, and this is not a myth, right?
Yes.
Anastasia, it really exists in Uzbekistan that we do ask lots of questions when we just say hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Thanks.
So right now we will share a list of facts that we learned in our previous lesson. And this is the sentence how to say my name is, mening ismim, and blank is for your name. Meaning yoshim, blank is for your age. And here you need to know numbers. This is for your profession, for your job. This is how you can say I am blah, 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 or I work as blah, blah, blah. And then you can say I live in this city and I was born in that city. I'm not going to read the whole thing right now because we will go from one sentence to another in detailed way, and you can also see how to ask, what's your name? How old are you? Who are you? Or what do you do? Who are you? What do you do? Where do you live? And where were you born? Okay, let's go. So first is name, and we'll pretend we don't know each other. We don't know even our names, and we are just getting to know each other from scratch. Salom, ismingiz nima? Sizning ismingiz nima?
Mening ismim Anastasia.
And I just need to add that sometimes we don't even say the first pronoun. It can be just that. Ismingiz nima?
Mening ismim Anastasia.
And now Anastasia will ask me, what's your name? How about you?
Siznikichi ismingiz nima?
Siznikichi is, what about you? Or what's yours? What's your name? Mening ismim Saida. Now I'm asking Anastasia, how old is she? Anastasia, yoshingiz nechida?
Yoshim 34da.
So Anastasia just said yoshim 34da, which means I am 34. And now Anastasia will ask me.
Siznikichi necha yoshdasiz?
Mening yoshim 37da. My age, I am 37 years old. Now, I'm asking her profession. What about her job? Anastasia, siz nima ish qilasiz?
Man rahbarman.
So I can ask about her job either this way or that way. I can say siz nima ish qilasiz, or siz kim bo'lib ishlaysiz? This is what do you do, and what work you do, right? Or which job you do. Kim bo'lib ishlaysiz? So can you answer this way, please? The second version, please.
Man rahbar bo'lib ishlayman.
So in the first version, we are asking through the verb qilmoq, to do. And in the second version, we're asking through the verb to work. Ishlamoq is work. Qilmoq is to do. Nima ish qilasiz? What kind of job you do? And kim bo'lib ishlaysiz? Who you work as. Okay, now Anastasia will ask me.
Sizchi nima ish qilasiz?
Man o'qituvchiman. And if you could ask me this way too.
Kim bo'lib ishlaysiz?
Men o'qituvchi bo'lib ishlayman. Anastasia, siz qayerda yashaysiz? And I'm asking, where do you live? I want to know the city.
Men Toshkentda yashayman.
Now Anastasia will be asking me.
Sizchi, siz qayerda yashaysiz?
Men Toshkentda yashayman. I can say I also live in Tashkent. Men ham Toshkentda yashayman. Anastasia, siz qayerda tug'ilgansiz? And this is the phrase tug'ilgansiz, verb is with r sound, so it may be tricky to pronounce. So let's practice. Tug'ilgansiz.
Tug'ilgansiz.
And it means was born. Tug'ilgansiz, you were born. If I want to say I was born, tug'ilganman. Tug'ilgansiz, tug'ilganman. Can you say it one more time, please?
Man Toshkentda tug'ilganman.
Siz qayerda tug'ilgansiz?
Toshkentda tug'ilganman.
Now Anastasia will be asking me, what about you?
Sizchi, siz ham Toshkentda tug'ilganmisiz?
Now ham is also as well. She's asking you. What about you? Were you also born in Tashkent? Yo'q, men Samarqandda tug'ilganman. Men Toshkentda tug'ilmaganman. And that's it. Of course, there are lots of other facts people can be sharing while they are getting to know each other. And we decided to break it down. First, these are the basic facts you need to be able to tell about yourself and also ask a partner. And maybe we will go back to the first slide and read it over again. And we will not comment each slide, we'll just read it and show you how a conversation between strangers may go. Salom.
Assalomu alaykum.
Ismingiz nima?
Mening ismim Anastasia. Siznikichi? Ismingiz nima?
Mening ismim Saida. Anastasia, yoshingiz nechida?
Yoshim 34 da. Siznikichi? Necha yoshdasiz?
Mening yoshim 37 da. Anastasia, siz nima ish qilasiz? Kim bo'lib ishlaysiz?
Man rahbarman.
Rahbar. Siz rahbar bo'lib ishlaysizmi?
Ha.
Tushunarli.
Sizchi nima ish qilasiz? Kim bo'lib ishlaysiz?
Man o'qituvchiman. Man o'qituvchi bo'lib ishlayman. Anastasia, siz qayerda yashaysiz?
Man Toshkentda yashayman. Sizchi? Siz qayerda yashaysiz?
Man ham Toshkentda yashayman. Siz qayerda tug'ilgansiz?
Man Toshkentda tug'ilganman. Sizchi? Siz ham Toshkentda tug'ilganmisiz?
Yo'q, men Samarqandda tug'ilganman. Men Toshkentda tug'ilmaganman. And that's it. Actually, in the end, we could just say, if this is the end of our conversation, we can say, nice to meet you, right? Tanishganimdan xursandman.
Tanishganimdan xursandman.
Tanishganimdan xursandman, Nastya. Tanishganimdan xursandman, Saida. And this is the phrase we learned in other videos, and it is also applicable here if we are done. Yeah, but we will not be saying that this is the end of the conversation, because this is just the first part of the communication, how to meet someone and share information about yourself and ask other questions. Anastasia, I would like to say thank you for coming and taking time to do this with us. We will be really looking forward for your comments and feedback about this lesson, whether you like this kind of practice and this kind of dialogues. Anastasia also really likes, you've been learning Uzbek since childhood, right? Since school age.
Correct.
And she shared before we started the fact that she still remembers very popular poem in Uzbek. And I said, could you read it for us? Could you read the school poem you learned to us?
Abdullayev, men nichun sevaman O'zbekistonni. Men nichun sevaman O'zbekistonni, to'prog'ing ko'zimga aylab tutiyo. Nichun vatanda yeri osmonni, muqaddas atayman tanho. Aslida dunyoda tanho nima bor? Paxta ko'shimiz sevga o'zga eldayo. Yoki ko'shliku sevgimga sabab, axir ko'shliku butun Osiyo.
It's okay. This is very popular poem, patriotic poem, which we all learned at school. But I, as an Uzbek girl, I don't remember. I remember only the first lines. But you remember even, the whole poem. So I'm really grateful that you're learning Uzbek. You still remember poems. And thankful for you for coming and taking time to do this lesson. O'zbek tilini o'rganayotganingiz uchun rahmat.
Rahmat.
Kelganingiz uchun rahmat. Like bosishni unutmanglar va xayr. Assalomu alaykum.